Hi everyone, welcome back. I've got some more items that I've been making for my craft fair to share with you today. I like to go to the Target bullseye section. They always have cute things, and so they had these candy corns and they light up. And then I bought this little candy corn on Etsy, and then I backed it with this plaid orange and white paper and printed it on that. And then I put a little thing that says I light up. And then if you've watched my other video, this is video number 2. Video number 1, I talk about Chat GPT. It's a free website that you can go to, and I just went in there and I said, write a 4-line poem for a glass candy corn that lights up. And this is the poem it wrote. This candy corn, a tiny light, guiding through the fall's delight. Its glow, a cozy, sweet embrace, illuminates the chilly space. Isn't that adorable, you guys? I love ChatGPT to write my poems. I used to write all my poems, but now I use ChatGPT sometimes. Anyways, and I only got 2 of those. I'm selling those for $8, and then I just put shred. I use shred in a lot of my items because I think it just dresses up the packaging so much. And my bags come from clear bags. This is a gusset bag that has, nope, this doesn't have the cardboard in them. Okay, no, this is not a clear bags. This is just a treat bag that I buy these at Zurcher's. I don't know if you guys have Zurcher's where you are, but it's a party store. So, okay, then, God, my lighting in here today is terrible. I don't know why. It's not cloudy. Also at Zurcher's, they had this witch hat. It was a banner. Can you see the hole? But I bought it because I knew right what I wanted to do with it. I have got these little jars from Walmart, filled them with M&Ms. Took the hat apart, glued it on with a spider, and then just tied some tulle around it, and I'm selling these for $5.99. Isn't that cute? That's probably not, I probably need to charge more, but oh well. You know, sometimes you can't get your money's worth on things, because if you did, it'd be too high priced. One day I was in Dollar Tree, and they had these tie Beanie Baby keychains. You guys, $1.25. So I bought like 40. And there's about 4 different kinds. And I just put them in one of these little bags from Clear Bags. This is the gusset bag with the cardboard inside. And then I just made this tag, "You are special," added a rainbow. Put some airheads, and I'm going to charge $6 on these. And if they don't sell, I'll lower the price, but I think they probably will. I guess we'll find out. Okay, then this is my witch's brew. I ordered these glass jars on Amazon. I will put the link below. I believe I bought the spoons as well. These ghost poofs are little marshmallows that come in this package. I get these from Oriental Trading. I will link those. And then I just said witch's brew for you, and then I added a little witch hat, and I'm selling these for $3. And I just buy the cocoa in bulk at Walmart, the hot chocolate, just in a big can. But I think those turned out super cute. I'm excited for those. Okay, and then I think I had these last year. These are masks, you know, that you put on your face to help your skin. This is a detoxifying one, and it's a bat. This is a pore refining egg white, and it's a ghost. And then this is a moisturizing pumpkin. And you just buy these on bulk from Amazon. And I made the little poem. It says, "In the dark of night, your glow will rise, a mask that enchants, no disguise." And then it says, "To and from." I think I got the tag on Etsy, and I may have added the Frankie guy, or he may have already been on there, but the poem, I had ChatGPT write the poem, And I've just got the same foam on every mask. And I'm charging $5 a piece on these. These sold really well last year. And then they have Christmas ones too that I'll be buying for Christmas. So I'll link things in my description box. Dollar Tree had these storage containers a few weeks ago. And I thought this would be cute. So, you know, it twists off so you can put things in both ends. So I've got candy in here. And then I've got a little hand clapper that you go like this and it claps and makes noise. And then that's one of those little push things that the kids are popular. They're popular right now. And a little ball. I got these balls in a bag at Hobby Lobby. And then I've got some fake fangs. And then I just put twist the ends and you will see some treats and toys to you from me. And I'm charging $7 for these. I think they turned out really cute. Okay. Then, like I said, I love the Target bullseye section. I walked in the other day and they were just putting out these potion bottles. And look how pretty they are. They change color. I don't know if you can tell, but they had 3 kinds. This is the witch's brew and it has a little witch hat. And these are rubber on top, the lids. And then vampire venom, and there's a bat. And then in the back, it was a skeleton head, and it's poison, deadly nightshade. And these were $1 each. So I had these plastic bags, or they're vinyl actually, that I purchased from Amazon last year. I will link these. So I just put some shred. This little vine thing is from Dollar Tree. It just comes. It's almost like a banner, and it just comes in a package, and they have black and purple. So I just cut them and add a little piece in there. I just think it adds so much character to your bag. And then I had ChatGPT write my poem, and it says, "In this vial of midnight's hue, a brew of shadows dark and true. One sip will lead you to the night where spirits dance in pale moonlight." And then I found that bat on Etsy. It's a clip art, and he's holding a potion bottle, so he's perfect. And I've just added him on there, and then tied some tulle and snapped the bag shut. And I'm selling these for $15, and I probably have maybe $4 total into this bag. But potion bottles are a big seller at this craft fair that I'm in. So I don't even hesitate about charging $15. Plus, the audience for this particular craft fair, it's in a real rich community, so people spend a lot of money. And then you've probably seen these cute little cauldrons at Dollar Tree, and I believe there's three to a package, so you get 3 for $1.25. And I just filled it. I have an eyeball sucker. I have some bubbles. I think I got the bubbles at Michael's in a bag. And I've got an Halloween Oreo cookie and a plastic hand. That's from Dollar Tree. A Beetlejuice pop ring. I got those from Target the other day. And then some Swedish Fish, some Skittles, and an Airhead. And then I told ChatGPT to write me a 2-line poem, and it says, "Witch's brew on Halloween night for those who scare you with their fright." Isn't that cute? And then I found this clip art on Etsy, and it just matches so good. And then I just printed this on, well, I made this in silhouette, so it actually prints the plaid and the words, and then it cuts it out for me too. So anyway, and then like I said, I put shred in everything because I just think it dresses it up. Again, this is a clear bag. Oh no, this is the treat bag from Zurcher's. It's just, you know, you get a whole package of these plastic bags, and I can put the measurements for these too in my link, or in my description box. I'm sure you can get these bags on Amazon though. I'm 100% positive. So I think that turned out really cute, and I'm selling these for $5. Okay, so that's the end of this video. Be sure you come back for part 3. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Bye for now.